Welcome to Miss Lam's Math World. So finally, we are able to finish this question. So our last part of this question is to find the ratio of the area of triangle GHR to that of IPQ. And there are lots of methods to do so. Okay, so maybe I describe a method for which I like very much and see if you are also interested in it. So let me tidy up the screen first. Alright, so now let's copy the information back. H is equals to 1410.5, right? 14 and then 10.5. Okay, so you got HR times the distance here. That means 25 minus 14 divided by 2 times IPQ will be R times 30 divided by 2. Because you get a right angle triangle. The base is PQ 30. The height is R. Base times height divided by 2. Cancel out the 2. And you get HR to be 48 minus 10.5 times 11 to 450. 48 minus 10.5 times 11, you get 412.5 to 450. And you get the answer 11 to 12. Okay, as a solution. So this is one of the methods to be used. Okay, and there are surely more than one method to do, because for the other method, which is you are able to use the distance formula, because Q is the median, right, of PR. So we got the base actually, that means HRQ, we got the same base. And then for IPQ, so I also lies on it. Somewhere here, okay? So that means the story is because you get the same base, right? So it means the area can be used in RQ times QH divided by 2. And then the other one is PQ times QI divided by 2. And the important point is because RQ equals to PQ, we can cancel them out. And then your task is to find QH to QI. Okay, so this is another way to solve it, because the key point is if you use method 2, you need to observe that O, H, I, G, Q are collinear. Then you may use this method to do. And why we get this good thing? Because we get isosceles triangle. Yay, right? All right. So there is actually, we don't have a very preference on which method to be better to be used. So for my own interest, I prefer vertical distance and horizontal distance, because it is also not time consuming to find, right? And for the R and 30, this one, it is actually given that you got the base and height step already. And if you use collinear, this method, then you just need to find the distance between QH and QI. Alright, so if you use distance formula, it is also very fast. Okay, right. Finally, we have completed this very giant question, right? Okay, if you still have any questions, so feel free to find me, right? Okay, so through WhatsApp at any time, or you find me in person. So that's the end of today's math lesson. See you next time.